Good morning. Yet another beautiful day here in Kochi. It has started to drizzle a bit, and the reason for this video is that I have installed the Meteor windscreen on the CB350. Now, ever since I saw the Meteor Flyscreen, I wanted to see if it can be fixed on the CB350. I liked the Meteor Flyscreen because it is attached to the front forks and not to the handlebar, so it's sort of a universal fit for any motorcycle. But the problem is that the clamps which are provided with the Meteor Flyscreen are a bit oversized for the CB350. So I already saw a lot of photos in a few photos in the Facebook users group of CB350, which showed that some people have actually tried fitting it, and there are two problems. One, the clamp with which the Meteor Flyscreen provides is a bit larger for the CB forks, and even if you somehow manage to fix it using rubber padding or something, it will touch the tank when you try to lock the bike. So what is an alternative? The alternative is to get your own clamp built from sort of a mechanical shop, or the one I followed is actually the steps shown in another YouTube video. So I would not be repeating the steps because, you know, it's a person has already done it in a very clear manner, and he has explained the steps very clearly, and he also provided the links to purchase these clamps. Now these clamps, they have to be bought separately. Luckily they are available in Amazon as well as in Flipkart, and you will also need to buy an additional nut and bolt, because the nut and bolt which comes with those clamps are of shorter in length. You will find that when you try to fix it. So you can just, if you're interested in trying this out, just go straight to the video which I'm linking in the description, maybe in also the first pinned comment, and you will get a detailed idea of how this can be done. Now this is a very good fit. It does not vibrate or something like that, but it's only a few days since I have fixed it. So if I face any problems, if the clamps are not working, I will let you know in the description below or the comments below. So as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And the bike is actually completing its transformation from the stock condition. There is one more additional piece which I am waiting for, which is the rear rack by Sana. I've ordered it. It will be soon delivered, and once that is installed, I think I'm done with the modifications on this bike. So let me know how you think the bike looks now. I think it looks better, as it gives a, and I will also show you how it looks from the rider's point of view. And let's ride for some time and see.